Hey everyone, we are going to do a hip mobility routine today, and what we're going to begin by doing is standing hip IR-ER step arounds. So we're going to be in a standing position and we're going to work on one leg at a time in closed chain going into hip internal rotation and hip external rotation. I'll show you guys the movement first. So you're going to pretty much hop as far as you can around, and then the leg that I'm standing on is going into hip internal rotation now, and then you're going to go out as far as you can too, keeping this foot planted, and now we're going into hip external rotation, and we're just going to keep doing that. So as far as you can one way, as far as you can the other way, and if you can hop a little further, try to get a little bit more motion out of it. All right, let's begin. So one leg is going to come around and then go as far as you can, and then you're going to come the other way. Keeping that foot planted, come as far out as you can. Hop around, hop back around. Don't worry if you feel like clicking, catching, popping, all normal things. Our bodies like to make noise. Don't worry too much about it. When I do this specifically, I always feel a lot of popping in my ankle, especially when I do this position, which is also fine. Around, get as much motion as we can. Open it up, around, open it up. This is number 7. Open it up, around. 2 more, around, open it up. Ooh, that was a good one. And open it up. Good. Other side, same thing. So hop the leg around. You're going to try to at least get to about 90 degrees, maybe a little further. And then here, you're trying to get a little bit more than 90, maybe even to 180. Around. Just don't let that foot move that you're standing on, because that's what's being planted, and everything else is just moving around it. Around. So our hips, we don't just want to mobilize them always in open chain, because when we move and do daily activities, we're in closed chain. So this is going to be a really good one to add in, and it's super easy to just do in a day-to-day routine, at work, at the office, wherever. A few more. All right, that's number 7. Starting number 8. 2 more. 9. 9, last one. 10, last one. 10. All right, the next one we're going to do is called a reverse lunge to sit down. So you're going to just kind of scoop this one leg around in a reverse lunge manner, and then you just sit all the way down on your booty, and then you're going to stand up. Now, if that's really hard for you, you can just kind of come across and go to this like curtsy lunge position and then just stand back up. So kind of choose your option if you want to do that one. Then let's get started. So cross behind, sit down, reach forward. 1. Behind. 2. 3. Try to keep your weight forward. It'll be easier to transition. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, just cross it as far as you can behind, sit down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost there. 9, last one. And 10. Now that our heart rates are up, we're going to go ahead and sit on the ground in a 90-90 position. All right, the first one is just a hold. So First knee is bent to 90 degrees, back knee is also bent to 90 degrees. If you feel any knee pain during this, you can point your foot, you can flex, you can bend it a little bit more than 90 or a little bit less, it doesn't even matter. All right, so we're just gonna lean over this front leg and hold. Just keep breathing, sink into it. Try to get a little bit lower if you can. Maybe try to put your forehead on your hands. Just keep breathing, we're almost there. Okay, that's about 30 seconds. Now what we're gonna do is a kick out. So you're gonna lift this first leg and kick it out and bend it down. If that's really hard, you can just lift it up, okay? Lift, kick, 2. I have my other arm here for support. Hey, Kilo. He's not even gonna let you kick it out. Just try to sit up nice and tall, keep your back straight, no rounding. 9, one more, and 10. Now we're gonna do the hold on the back leg. So lean over the back knee, kind of grab the knee, pull yourself towards that position, and just hold it there. Remember, just keep breathing here too. Try to sink a little bit further, kind of pull yourself further towards that knee. But if you need to point or flex your foot to reduce stress on that back knee and the inside, feel free to do that. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, now I'll give you 2 options. We're gonna do the kickouts on the back leg. So that would look like this. If you're able to do it, if you're unable to do that, I just want you to just lift. And if you need to lean forward to help you lift up a little bit higher, then you can do that too. So just choose either one of those, and we're gonna try to do 10. Lift, kick out, bend, down. 1, 2, keep your back straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Okay, let's switch to the other side, same thing. So we're gonna do the hold over the front leg. So just lean over and relax. Maybe you can grab a dog to help pull you lower. This is gonna be everyone's favorite video right here. Remember, if you do not even feel enough stretch on this one, go ahead and open your hands. Try to put your forehead right on those hands. Or your forehead right on a dog. Five, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna do the kickouts. So hand here if you can, and then you're going to lift up the whole leg, kick it out, bend, set it down, or you're just gonna be lifting it up. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back leg hold. So you're just pulling yourself towards that back knee in that direction, trying to work on hip internal rotation mobility of this back leg. Just try to relax into it, try to sink a little bit further, and appreciate that Amanda and I are matching. I guess Kilo is too, because he's gray and blue. Yeah. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right. So now we're gonna do the kick outs here. So you're gonna lift, kick. You can have 2 hands. You can be also leaning over, or you can just lift up. 3. Try not to shift your body once you place it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Last thing we're gonna do is a sideline quad stretch. So you're just gonna lay on your side, and we're gonna grab one leg and pull that heel towards your booty, and then just relax. It doesn't matter what you do with the bottom leg. Tuck it up if you want to. I like to support my head with my hand, but do whatever feels good. Try to make sure that that hip is like fully extended or in more neutral, so you don't want to be like tucked at the hip. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Same thing on the other side. So bring that hip open, bring that heel to your butt. And breathe. Also, side note, don't let yourself go into an external rotation position. So don't let your butt come towards midline and your like knee go out. So keep everything more straight and like horizontal with the ground. We have 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And that is all for today. Feel free to go back through this, do this as many times as you want to, and have a good day.